There is something magical about photographing elephants. They are massive, yet gentle, powerful, yet emotional. And for photographers, they offer one of the most diverse and rewarding opportunity. Let us discuss today why elephants are so photogenic and how you can make most out of it when you spend time with them in the wild. Elephant is a huge animal, but that does not necessarily mean that you must shoot them in toto. Zoom in to highlight their shape, body curvature, texture and detail. Every part of elephant body is a complete photo in itself. Experiment with different composition. Shoot vertical, shoot horizontal, and sometimes from altogether a different perspective. They are emotional, they are playful, they have intimate family moment, and they display unique behavior. In short, they are storytelling material. Elephants are also incredible when it comes to working with light. Their wrinkled skin creates beautiful texture. May it be golden hour, may it be a dust scene, or a dramatic low light condition. In all situations, they provide excellent photo opportunity. Elephants are seen most of the time in large herds. That means there is always a scope to capture their interaction. They offer dynamic, high energy moment, perfect for video. Slow motion dust throw, water spray and herd movement creates stunning footage. And when it comes to post-processing, elephant is probably the most flexible subject. You can create dramatic, high contrast black and white image, or color grade them with different saturation level to get a cinematic look. No matter whatever is your post-processing style, elephants adapts seamlessly. With elephants, you are never limited. You can shoot minimalistic portrait, frame filling portrait, environmental shot, silhouettes and close-up. Every encounter with elephant gives you something different. If photographing elephants excites you, then I have got something very special for you. In August 2026, I am hosting a photographic safari covering Zimbabwe and Botswana. We will visit two of the Africa's best elephant destinations, that is Hwange in Zimbabwe and Chobe in Botswana. In addition to it, we will visit world famous Victoria Falls. These locations offer some of the highest concentration of elephants in the world. If you want to elevate your photography and experience these giant animals up close, then join me on this safari. Last slot is available and link is given in the description.